tutorial, I'll be going to show you how to make a guessing game in Python. So this is a project in PyCharm. So this is a hello world.py project. So I have just created. So let me clear this. And now after this, I'll just create a mind map type of thing for you. So what will be the format of the program? So you can just first we need to give the secret number. So I'll just say secret and assign this to a number, and then we'll make a variable to store the guess. So I'll just say user guess. After this, you need to make another variable and give it the name as guess count. You can just say guess, or else you can just say count, which will store how many times the user has tried to guess the number, and you can just give the number of guesses by user. Then you can make another variable which will store how many guesses you want the user to input, and you can just say number of guesses. Then you can, after this, you need to make another variable which will say that is the user has lost the game or not. So you can just say lost, and initially it will be false. So you can just type false here, and then after this you need to make a while loop, which will be the main while loop, and in this you can just type in the condition. The condition is while guess is not equal to secret, and you can just say and not lost, and you can just say then you can now after this you need to make an if statement. In the if statement you can just say that if count is less than limit. After this you can just do the following things. If count is less than limit, you can just say guess, and then the input prompt, and increment count. So you can just say count increment, and then you can say else. You can say else and say that lost is equal to true. After this you can just come out of your while loop and then say if lost, then you can just type the print statement, or you can just say you lose, and then you can just say else you win. So this will be a basic mind map which we will make, the game we will make. So let us go to our Python file, and now let us start making the guessing game. So the first thing we need to do is make a variable which will store the secret number. So I'll just type in secret and give the secret number as 9, and then we'll just make another variable as guess and leave it empty now, and then another variable as count, and now initially it will be 0, and then limit, and change this to I want 5 chances to guess the number. So I will just give 5 in here, and another variable which will just say lost, and then initially say this to false. After this you can just start programming your while loop. In the while loop you can just give the loop function as while guess is not equal to secret, and so this and is a logical operator, and you can say and lost and not lost. You can just say not lost. Not is also a logical operator. So you can say while guess is not equal to secret and not lost, type a colon and then enter, and now you can just start typing the if statement. So I'll just say if, and after if you can just type the condition, and in this situation I'll just type if count is less than limit, then I'll just say guess is equal to input, and then I'll just say enter guess. After this you can just increment the count variable plus equals 1. So this is a plus equals is a short form of count is equal to count plus 1. You can do the same thing by just typing in plus equals 1. So I'll just type plus equals 1. After this you need to make an else statement, so I'll just say else, and then you can just type in lost is equal to true. So after this you can just come out of the while loop, and now you can just type in if lost, then print you lose. Let me give the messages in caps, and you can just add an emote icon, and then you can just print an else statement, and inside this you can just type print you win, and then an emote icon. So after this I think this will work. So let me run the program. It is asking for to enter a guess, so I'll just say 12, again I'll just say 23, again guess if I say 9. So it's continuing to giving me guesses. So what's the problem? We have 5, the limit is 5, so I was thinking it was 3. So now you can just type in again 12 now, and this time let me as you can see I have guessed the correct answer here, but it is again prompting me for entering the guess. Now again if I enter the correct guess, it is saying you lose. Why is it so? So you need to convert the by default the input by the user is in the form of string, so you need to convert it into integers. You can just type int and then enclose the input prompt in parentheses, and now this should work. So now let me run the program. It is asking for a guess. You can type in 12 and then 23, and then if I now enter the correct guess, it is saying that you win. So let me run the program once again, and now I'll lose. So I'll just say it is saying you lose. So this is working. So the program is working, and that's it for this tutorial. You have just learned to make a wonderful guessing game. Now you can just, if you want to limit the guesses to 3, and now when you run the program, you can just change the limit here only, and now when you run it, suppose I just type in 12, and you can see that it gives me only 3 user prompts. Now that's it for this tutorial. You have just learned how to make a wonderful guessing game in Python.